Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to free up space in Google One storage? If your backups are taking way too much space, I'll show you how to delete Google One backups step by step. Let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open Google One backup settings. And to do that, just go to one.google.com and then go to, after you log in, using your account's credentials. Now once logged in, go to storage here in the right side and click on it. Once you click on it, go to backups. Now before you do that, make sure you pay for a subscription, for a OneDrive subscription. Now here is the backup section. Now after you find your backup, you'll see your backup for your phone, Google Photos and Drive. Click on device backup, the device backup you want to delete. It will be available once you back up your device. Now after you click on it, delete the backup. And you can do this by clicking on delete backup at the top right corner and confirm the selection. Fourth step and the final one is to verify the deletion. And to do that, just check on your Google Drive storage at drive.google.com, and if the backup is still showing, refresh and check again. Backup expires after 57 days of inactivity, so they might delete automatically if not used. And deleting a backup is permanent, and you won't be able to restore your data. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you delete Google One backups. Just go to storage, find your backup and remove it permanently. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.